Alright, so the third gas is ammonia gas, and it is produced in two types of reaction. The first reaction is when a base reacts with an ammonium compound to form salt water and ammonia gas. And the second test that can produce ammonia gas is when there is a positive test for nitrate. Okay, so today I'm only going to demonstrate the first reaction, which is when an alkali reacts with an ammonium compound. Alright, so if I add sodium hydroxide to this colorless solution and no precipitate is formed, so remember that sodium hydroxide is also used for test for cation. Okay, so if there's no precipitate form and you are asked to heat the mixture, then chances are the colorless solution at the start could be an ammonium compound. Okay, so we switch on the Bunsen burner to heat the solution or the mixture. Now, before you heat the solution, because it could be an ammonium solution, ammonium containing solution, and ammonia gas may be produced, so you should prepare a moist wet litmus paper to test for the gas. Okay, so I'm just going to wet it with distilled water on the table, and take note, for safety reasons, you shouldn't be pointing it to yourself or to your friends, okay, and prevent localized heating or avoid localized heating by swirling the boiling tube from left to right. Okay, so while waiting, alright, so we wait for the mixture to heat up even further before we move it away to test for the gas. When you see fumes, right, you should move it away from the flame to test for the gas. So now the moist wet litmus paper turns blue. This indicates that ammonia gas is produced. Hence, the colorless solution contains ammonium ion. Take note, you shouldn't be touching the boiling tube because it's still hot.